and we are here at the West Baden Hotel Resort. Everything else that it is, spring minerals, and this is beautiful. We are in the beginning of September, at the time of filming this, and it is. The pictures do not do this justice. Thought I'd do a quick little hike of the grounds here at the West Baden Hotel. This was originally supposed to be one of the 7 or 8 wonders of the world. It actually was originally the first time taken down by gangs in Las Vegas, ironically, because the casinos here they wanted to open up Las Vegas in the late 40s, and in order to do that, they had to somehow eliminate their competition, which French Lick was their competition. But it was an illegal gambling place, so they just reported it to the feds and basically ended this. So hopefully it gets back up there because this is a beautiful place. But I'm just going to walk around now and not talk, maybe occasionally. But be sure to hit like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy this. Wow. That water, that must be the mineral water because that water is bluish green. Has a little bit of a sulfuric smell to it as well. Whew. Wow, that's kind of cool. Whew, man, that has a rotten egg smell. It is such a beautiful thing to see, though. This device is on its way out. That's beautiful. I'm going to zoom in, go up. Beautiful cross right there. That is awesome. But this place is phenomenal. Looks like it's the end of this path, and this area is actually closed off. Interesting. So I think that's going to be part one of this video. If you want to see part two, be sure to click next or hit the subscribe button and check out when we release the next video of this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Get a nice little shot at the end here. Be sure to check out the West Baden Hotel and Resort here in, I guess it'd be West Baden, Indiana. It's also right next to French Lick, so be sure to check it out.